respected teachers and advocates and all the dignitaries present here. I, Devansh Jalwan, am feeling honored to share this stage with these dignitaries and say my words on the topic of waste management and single-use plastic. As all of us know that single-use plastic has created a very big problem to the whole world. It is causing the temperature rise and the global warming. By excess use of the single-use plastic, the temperature of the earth is getting raised very fastly, and this causes the melting of glaciers in Himalayas, and which sometimes causes great avalanches like the earlier one in Uttarkashi, where we lost some crackers over there. And I want to say that India has taken various steps in this field to recycle the plastic, like somewhere the plastic is used for making roads, and some scientists have even created the bag like polythene, but it is decomposable. And now I want to say my words on the topic waste management. Waste management has to be done by ourselves. We have to put two different type of dustbins, one a green one and a blue one. Green one is the biodegradable waste. In that dustbin, we have to put all the wet and biodegradable waste, and in the blue one, we have to put the waste which is not easily decomposable in the earth. At last, I want to welcome again all the dignitaries over here. Thank you.
धन्यवाद। प्यारे बच्चों, आपने देवांश बिजलवान के विचार सुने, और देवांश बिजलवान ने सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक का ग्लेशियरों पर जो पहुंचते हैं पर्वतारोही और टूरिस्ट, उनके द्वारा वहां प्लास्टिक को बेतरतीब फेंक दिया जाता है, और ये प्लास्टिक केमिकल से बना होता है, जिससे बर्फ़ की जो जमने की परत पे परत दर प्रक्रिया होती है, अगर उसके नीचे कुछ होता है वो कभी कभी स्लाइड कर जाता है। और जैसे परसों आपने सुना कि गंगोत्री उत्तरकाशी में 26 NIM के पर्वतारोही, और जिसमें से एक माउंट एवरेस्ट विजेता पर्वतारोही ही, वो सारे के सारे उस एवलांच में वहाँ दब गए। तो हमें जब इन क्षेत्रों में जाना होता है तो हम ऐसे प्लास्टिक का बिल्कुल प्रयोग न करें। ये